Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period. We deal the chapter 11 mensuration, in which today's topic is solid shapes. You have learned so far about solid shapes in a previous chapter. What's the difference between two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional shapes have only length and breadth, but these solid shapes, that is three-dimensional shapes, have length, breadth and height also. So they have total surface area and volume too. You can observe some solid shapes here. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone, etc. are solid shapes. Here we will learn total surface area of some solid shapes. Total surface area means the area of all faces. Area of all faces. In short, total surface area can be named as TSA. Okay, TSA is total surface area. At first, TSA of a cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. You can see here a cuboid. You have learned cuboid and cube has 6 faces and opposite faces are identical. That means they have the same area. So to find the surface area of a solid, we should find area of each face and added. We can check what is the surface area of a cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces and all the faces are rectangles or square, sometimes may be square. Opposite faces are identical. Here you can see 6 faces and its area I have written here. The area of this face will be here breadth, here height. So B into H. Like that here this side L into H, L into B and here also L into B. That means bottom face, top face. These are the lateral faces. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Their areas are here LH, length into H, LH. Then here BH. So the total area will be the sum of these areas of 6 faces. What will be the areas? Sum of these areas LH, LB, BH, again LH, LB, BH. 2 LBs are there, 2 LH are there, 2 BH are there. So we can write total surface area LH plus LB plus BH plus LH plus LB plus BH 2 times. So 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. This is the TSA or total surface area of a cuboid where L is the length, B is the breadth and height, H is the height. Okay. We can do one exercise problem. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Here, from the question we should understand that surface area is to be find out because these suitcases to be covered. Covered means all the faces should be covered. Okay, a suitcase should be covered means all of its faces should be covered. That means we should find the surface area, total surface area of this case. But here not one suitcase to be covered but 100 suitcase to be covered with that tarpaulin cloth. So we should find the TSA of 100 suitcases and it should be equated with the area of tarpaulin. The area of tarpaulin should be same as the area of 100 suitcases. Do you understood? Area of tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is two-dimensional. It has length and breadth. Its area will be length into breadth. But here only breadth is given. But the required area will be equal to the area of 100 suitcases. We can do the problem. First, we should write the measurements: length, breadth, height. It is given 80, breadth B 48, height H is equal to 24 centimeter. Write the formula TSA of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Substitute the values and calculate. We will get 13,824. TSA of 100 suitcase is equal to area of tarpaulin. 100 is there, children. You should notice this one. TSA of 100 suitcase is area of tarpaulin. That means this is the area of one surface area of one suitcase, and 100 suitcase will be 100 into 13,800. That should be equal to length into breadth. Length into 96. So, is equal to the surface area of 100 suitcases divided by breadth. That means this much centimeter. We can write in meter. 144 meter is the length of tarpaulin. Understood? This is an application level question. You should know that it should be covered. Area should be find out in the case of covering or painting, like that. Okay. Next one is total surface area of a cube. What is the peculiarity of a cube? Cube has 6 faces and all the sides are equal. All the sides of a cube will be equal. So TSA of a cube is 6a square. Why? A square is the area of one face, side into side. Face of a cube is a square. So the area of a square is side into side. That means a square. Here 6 such faces are there. So 6 into a square. So TSA of a cube is equal to 6a square. This is the formula. TSA of a cube equal to 6a square, where a is the side of the cube. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Here the surface area is given. What is the formula? TSA of a cube is 6a square. That 6a square is 600 centimeter square. So a square will be 100. A is equal to square root of 100. A is equal to square root of 100. Why? A square is equal to 100. Then A is equal to its square root. Square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. Okay.